Jim! Rosie and Jim, chugging along on the old road. Rosie and Jim, and Neil, he steers the boat. We go to play and have a look with Rosie's bag. Jim's drawing book. No one knows when we're around. Shh, now don't make a sound. Rosie and Jim, finding music every day. Rosie and Jim, and Neil, he sings the songs.
Okay, Larry, it's time for the theme song.
Yeah, Bob. What do I do?
Let's see. I know! You play the guitar.
Bob, I don't have any hands.
Oh, you're right. Well, okay, you play this.
I don't want to play that. I'll look silly.
Oh, come on. It'll be fun.
Nope, not gonna do it.
It's for the kids.
Oh, okay. But they better not laugh.
All right, better get on out there.
If you like to talk to tomatoes, if a squash can make you smile, if you like to waltz with potatoes, up and down the produce aisle, have we got a show for you?
Veggie Tales, 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 Veggie Tales.
Broccoli, celery, gotta be
Veggie Tales.
Lima beans, collard greens, peachy keen,
Veggie Tales.
cauliflower, sweet and sour, half an hour.
Veggie Tales. There's never ever been a show like Veggie Tales. There's never ever been a show like Veggie Tales. It's time for Veggie Tales.
the max. So just sit back and relax. You'll laugh when you can laugh. We're Animaniacs. Come join the Warner Brothers
And the Warner Sister Dot.
Just for fun, we run around the Warner movie lot. They lock us in the tower whenever we get caught. But we break loose and then the moose, and now you know the plot. We're Animaniacs. Dot is cute and Yakko yaks. Wacko packs away the snacks while the plankton plays the sax. We're Animaniacs. Be Pinky and the brain who wants to rule the universe. Put letters blocked together, slappy wax them with her purse. Button chases Mindy while Rita sings a verse. The writer's script, we have no script, why bother to rehearse? We're Animaniacs. We have pay or play contracts. We're zany to the max, there's baloney in our slacks. We're Animani, totally insane.
Here's a show's naming.
Animaniacs, those are the facts.
Boom, ba-doo, ba-doo-dee-dee, boom. Oh, little Lulu, with freckles on your skin. Always in and out of trouble, but mostly always in. Using dad's necktie for the tail of your kite. Using mom's lipstick for the letters you write. Little Lulu, there's no one quite as smart. Doesn't matter what you do when you're doing it with your heart. Shiny curls and dancing, there's a sparkle in your eye. When can we look forward to your next surprise? What a surprise! Oh, the clock says 7:30, it's really after 10. Looks like Lulu's been repairing it again. Though you're wild, you know it's true, Lou. And you're very hard to take. Little Lulu, we love you just the same, the same. Little Lulu, we love you, Lou, just the same.
For your big fat information, this is our imagination. Me and my friend Bradley. What we draw is what you see. Dig around and help us to explore. See the world like you've never seen before. Real mature Bradley.
cantik.
Goodbye, nurse.